I can't believe it took me so long to be in the position I am in. So much more to go, but doing something that you love, chasing after your passion, balancing, enjoying every second of your day, even during your so-called work, which I'm on a fucking swing set right now. Got an extra seat if you want to learn how to work more efficiently so you could make more money in less hours. You don't know how many people I've helped turn their passion into a profitable business. And they work less hours, but they enjoy it and they work more efficiently. They measure their results, they know what they need to work on, and it's not about doing nothing, it's about enjoying it. It's about working where, if you don't like sitting in a cubicle, try making your calls outside. Sit by, go do it, call it something else too. Change the way that you associate language to the experiences you have, and they won't be as bad. Not another case of the Mondays. No, another fucking day to destroy, a day to be better, a day to fucking kill it. But no, we're just complaining about stupid bullshit, or we fucked up again, or whatever. We said we're gonna do that. We're not where we want to be. Just block that fucking noise. It's excuses. You're scared. You want the certainty. I understand. No one's telling you to go out and quit your job or whatever. All we're saying is that if you really want to, you could do a little bit more. And if you really wanted to, you can figure out a solution to do it less if you believed it was possible. That was the whole reason why people don't do it, because they don't believe it's possible. But when I've done it and are doing it, I know it is possible. So it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks or believes. It's your journey, your experience, your life, your dream. I'm not fucking kidding. Like, you can do the same. It's not rocket science here. It's actually about, you gotta stop overthinking at some point. Like, knowledge is nothing, but the right knowledge, the right strategies, the right attitude, mindset, skills that you could develop. It's hard, like when you haven't practiced in a while, you get a little rusty. So you start practicing again. You take it one step at a time. You know what you need to do. I don't need to tell you. You already know. But again, the swing set's open. Come have a talk with me and see if just one 30-minute call could talk, person, Zoom, whatever. I'm living life on my terms, and what I can control, I control. What I can't, I can't. There's some things you can control, there's some things you can't. It's up to you. Make the move. The time is now. You have another day at this hour. You could turn it around. You don't have to give up when it's so much easier to just live.